We're at the site now of the Rainfall Simulator that was installed here at the Research and Education Center of Milan back in 1979, 1980. And the reason we're showing this particular study area probably did more to convince people to no-till than anything else we ever did. The way this was set up behind me, you can see it's kind of a sloping area, and there were 10 quarter-acre plots. Half of them were down to my right, half of them to my left. On the side of this slope, and each of those plots we would implement a different tillage practice, be that no-till or the old conventional till system where we would plow and then disc, do all, and then plant. The water was applied to these from sprinklers that were set up around the perimeter of the plots. And then the water collected in ditches that came down either side and to the bottom here of each plot into a flume. We can measure the amount of water running off and then take samples and see how much soil was in those water. We've got photographs of the actual plot showing a conventional tilled plot versus a no-till plot. And what you would see was in the no-till plot, the water was basically clear. In the conventional tilled plot, the water was very murky and muddy. And when people would see that, they would get a real good understanding of why it was we needed to be no-tilling. And as I said, this probably did more than anything we ever did to convince people that the system actually worked as a means of erosion control.